She was confused. She had no idea where she was at. And that sound, it came from the woods. She tried to ignore it, but it only got louder. She found that she was also falling ill. Still, there was that sound. Still, she tried to ignore it. The louder it got, and the more ill she became. She had to find out what it was. She had to go to the woods. She heard it again, but this time, she had figured out what it was. The sound was in fact her last breath.